Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility and protecting your files. Check your Mac model and free space, then run a time machine backup so you can restore if needed. Once done, sign in with your Apple ID and download the Mac OS High Sierra installer from the App Store or Apple Support download area. Make sure the installer appears in Applications as Install Mac OS High Sierra. If it's missing, sign out and back in, then retry the download to ensure a clean installer file. You'll create a bootable USB so the install is clean and reusable. First, plug in an 816 GB drive and format it as Mac OS Extended, journaled, with GUID partition map in disk utility. Once formatted, open Terminal and run the Create Install Media command included with the High Sierra installer. Authenticate with your admin password and confirm erasing the USB. Then, let the process complete. This can take from 10 to 30 minutes, so don't interrupt. When done, the drive should mount as Install. You finish by booting from the USB installer. Restart and hold option, select the Install macOS High Sierra volume, and proceed through disk utility if you want to erase or partition before installing. Follow the on-screen steps to install, then restore data from your time machine backup if desired. If the installer errors, first reset NVRAM or SMC and check the max date in Terminal. An incorrect date can block certificate validation. If that fails, re-download the installer and recreate the boot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.